Back to my channel. This is Mary Stephanie, and for today gagawa ako ng review. I would be doing my first ever review ng skincare, which is yung ACSOS kit by Some by Me. Well, I'm not really sure kung paano siya i-pronounce kasi hindi ko talaga alam. Pero I think it's a Korean brand, so Some by Me or maybe just Some by Me. I really don't know. But ito yung box niya. Medyo malabo ata. So it's an ACSOS in title, and then the subheading is AHA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle ACSOS Kit Edition. I actually got this from Beauty Manila or Beauty MNL. Well, it's kind of pricey compared to the other sites that I checked, like sa Shopee, mga ganun. Pero naisip ko na lang din kasi Beauty Manila, Beauty MNL kilala na siya, so I'm pretty sure na yung makukuha ko is an original talaga. Pero syempre, I think if you go to Korea, it's gonna be much more cheaper talaga. So ito yun naman niya. Meron siya dito yung Acne Foam, Acne Foam, Toner, Serum, and the Cream. So pag in-open mo siya, yan yung laman niya, guys. Anyway, una sa lahat, ano ba yung kine-claim? Since it's my first time to actually make a review, I would like to do it first too. I mean, para sabihin ko muna yung mga claims ng product, and I would say if ganun ba yung naging effect niya sa akin. Medyo I have to look online kasi yun na, parang I want to give you guys a review na make sure ko naman na I made a research about it first, but since hindi ko alam, I've been busy the past few days talaga, and lately naman dahil sa ulan, sa bagyo, medyo, alam niyo yun, medyo yung ano ko ngayon, medyo parang chill lang naman dahil siguro nga napagod ako lately. But anyway, una, ano nga ba ang AHA, PHA, at PHA? Ang AHA is an alpha hydroxy acid. Well, it says here that it is a water-soluble acid that buffs away dead skin cells to eliminate whiteheads. I'm pretty sure mas more than that pa yung meaning niya, pero since it's a skincare product and not everyone really understand chemistry and mga ganyan-ganyan, chemicals, kaya siguro yung pinaka-simple. Sorry guys, hindi talaga nakapag-research. Yung BHA is beta-hydroxyl acid. Sabi, it's an oil-soluble acid that removes excess oil to reduce the blackheads. Example niya yung mga salicylic acid. And then, ang PHA is a polyhydroxyl acid, a milder exfoliator than AHA and BHA. It peels off the top layer of skin to improve its tone and texture. It also attracts moisture to prevent skin from drying during exfoliation. Yun yung sinasabi niya. So, ito yung kanyang Miracle Acne Foam. It's 30 ml and even after 30 days, meron pa din siya guys. So, pwede pa rin siyang ubusin. Tapos, itong toner naman nila. Actually, 30 ml lang siya. Siya yung magastos gamitin. Or siguro kasi, since it's liquid, hindi mo masyado makontrol yung kung gaano karami yung malalagay mo sa pad. So, parang around 27th day niya na medyo pag-goodbye na siya. Parang halos drops na lang. Kasi parang syempre, diba, I have to make sure na makakaabot siya for 30 days. So, ito. Dahil ito, mahirap siyang gamitin. Ang pinakamatipid talaga gamitin is the serum. Probably because it has, meron siyang dropper. So, parang, kasi nasanay din ako nun sa ginagamit ko na parang 3 drops lang for the whole face. Pero ito, you can allot like 1 drop per side of the face. Sides, forehead, sa chin, and sa nose. So, matipid siya. Kasi hanggang ngayon, actually, ngayon ko lang, ayan, more than half pa actually, guys. Effective. And then, itong cream niya, this is only 10 ml, pero yun nga, sobrang tipid niya. And, ito namang Miracle Cream. It's super okay also. It's 20 grams, and madami pa din siya, guys. So, sobrang tipid niyang gamitin. Nung una kasi, parang sabi ko, 30 days, ang liit lang. Pero, yun naman, okay naman siya na nagagamit ko lahat. Except yung ito lang. Siguro kasi, yung mga first few days of using this, alam mo yung medyo, parang ang dami kong nailalagay. Yan. Pero guys, it's very, very matipid siya given the price niya. And yun nga, sabi ko guys, if siguro hindi ko naman sabi na mahal sa beauty M&M, but I get naman kasi syempre mga payments and stuff pa. Pero, parang worth it naman siya dun sa binayaran ko. Although, I don't really know kung magkano siya sa Korea. Kasi, me, personally, syempre pag business, mga ganyan. Pero, okay guys, matipid siya. And of course, if you're gonna travel, you can bring this talaga kapag magta-travel kayo. Kasi super handy siya. Maliit lang siya. It doesn't even take up so much space in our bathroom. Kaya, yun. So, when it comes to its packaging, it's yung content niya, yung dami niya, I think, very, kahit kasi, masasabi ko na kahit it's expensive, medyo pricey siya, sulit siya. Kasi kahit yung cream niya, it is good for 30 days. Kasi yun nga, lampas 30 days na, pero meron pa din natirang products. But, maybe it's because I am using it only for nighttime. Kasi, yun nga, parang mas binibigyan pansin ko talaga yung skincare ko, yung night routine ko. And especially now, it's ECQ. So, parang get late na nagigising. Parang yung thinking mo, hindi naman ako lalabas ng bahay. So, bakit magkailangan sa umaga na nun? Pero sa gabi, kasi lately, sa gabi lang talaga ako naliligo, guys. Kasi wala talaga, sa bahay lang naman ako. Yun, parang, actually, kahit may times ayaw ko maligo, I make sure na ma-apply ko itong skincare ko para, parang hindi lang because I want a good skincare, but also to give you a good review para, as much as possible, ayoko na may lapses yung pagbigay ko ng review sa inyo. Ayan guys. So, according to the yesstyle.com, na ang benefits na binibigay nitong SOS kit na to is that skin irritation test completed, 4 steps of AC line products for urgent skincare, with AHA to exfoliate skin impurities and dead skin cells, with BHA to remove skin dirt and sebum inside the pores, with BHA to dissolve dead skin for non-irritating exfoliation, free of 20 harmful ingredients formulated with natural derived ingredients. Well guys, kasi ang akin na naman, my opinion on when it comes to the natural derived ingredients is syempre, even if we all have different skin types, so what you might have an allergic reaction to might not be the same for me and for other people out there. So, I would suggest na kayo yung mismo mag-check and na kayo yung tumingin kasi I really can't say it for a lot of people. So, what I would be talking about basically is yung reaction niya sa skin type ko and to my skin basically. Kasi since magkakaiba naman tayo ng mga genetic stuff, yung genes natin, oh my god, super nerd. But yeah, since we have different kinds of yung sa skin natin, iba-iba yung reactions natin. So, I would suggest na you guys would do research also, I would be putting down the link of this website so you guys can check it out. So, yun. Anyway, sabi niya dito, the clear foam cleanses skin impurities inside the pores and removes excessive sebum, and it provides to have the function of alleviating acne-prone skin. I could say na it reminds me of the foam na ginamit ko dati dun sa Etude House. But kasi sinasabi din dito kasi meron sila yung sa tea tree na oil. Kasi tea tree is really known para mapadry na yung pimples mo kagad. So, yun yung it reminds me of. Ayun, na maamoy mo din yung tea tree dito sa kanilang sa foam nila. So, gets. Kasi ang tea tree kasi guys, if you've experienced having tea tree na ilagay sa skin nyo na oil, as in, may mahapde talaga siya. And ito nga, kapag dati na-experience ko kasi, habang ginagamit ko to, may time na may bago akong pimples. So, mahapdi talaga siya. Pero get naman. Pero ano siya, din nga sabi ko, kahit konti lang, sobrang tipid niya. It can cover like your whole face and may bubbles siya. Kaya, ngayon, ito yung masasabi ko sa kanilang clear foam. The Miracle Toner soothes irritated skin while gently removing dead skin cells. It has completed the suitable for acne-prone skin test. Yeah. I'm not really sure if this is vegan. Mas parang hindi ko pa nababasa. Pero anyway, yeah, may mo din yung titi sa kanya. And what I like about this, well, at least for all the toners naman na gagamit ko, is kahit na yung sobrang i-wash mo na yung face mo, nakikita mo pa din na yung aftermath niya, that meron ka pa din, yung skin mo pa din, na meron pa rin dumi na nakukuha. Kahit onti lang yung amount na ilagay mo, sulit naman siya. Yan yung opinion. Serum naman, it suits irritated and problematic skin, offers all moisture care by optimizes the ratio of water and oil. Well, may nakita ko dito sa picture yung binabrowse ko is, let me check. Yeah guys, kita mo talaga na may oil siya and may water. As in, like, yung serum niya is, it's more of an oil talaga. So, kita naman sa texture. Pero, yan, nagsiseparate yung oil and, yeah, kita mo na, ngayon ko lang kasi nakita. Ngayon ko lang sa tinignan na may good amount of light. Kaya, ayan, makita mo nga yung oil and water na sinasabi niya. Actually, may siya, amoy ng, tawag dito. Kasi it has 14.5% of natural centella asiatica. But, I don't know kung anong scientific name to. Pero parang siyang calamansi or lemon, something citrus. And you know kasi diba guys, I think ito yung nag-help talaga na completely dry out yung pimples mo. And at the same time, I feel like my skin got brighter because of this. Kasi diba we know how calamansi or any lemon helps you whiten yung antioxidant niya sa skin natin. Kaya feeling ko, ito, napakalaking factor niya. And guys, yung nasabi ko, it's more than half pa. And it's already tapos yung 30 days. So, sobrang sulit nito. And then, actually, mas ramdam mo yung hapde kapag may bagong pimple ka compared dun sa toner and sa foam. And yun nga, tapos, yung bango niya, parang, you can say naman na kahit, parang I think it's really, natural talaga siya. Kasi, maamoy mo talaga yung amoy, yung pagka-citrus smell niya. Kaya, I like this one. Miracle Cream naman, sabi niya, it moisturizes skin and strengthens skin barrier, protects skin with pore-sika care from the external aggressors. Guys, I will be checking out what pore-sika care is. I will just, ika-caption ko na lang dito kung ano yun. Kasi, sobrang bagal ng internet. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Wow, nagtaka pa ako kung bakit. Alam naman natin kung bakit, diba? Kasi, yan dito. Bakit? So, ito nga siya. Meron din siyang 70% natural centella asiatica. Ayun, real tea tree. 10,000 parts per million. Actually, yung amoy niya, hindi siya kasing citrus yung smell nung sa serum compared dito. But, siguro dahil naghalo yung tea tree at saka yung natural centella. Kasi guys, it's in Korean, so I really can't read. Pero ito nga, yung the one na ililink ko sa inyo. Ito, sobrang gentle amount. Parang ganun, isang ganun lang per, skin. Tapos, ang tipid-tipid niya, guys. So, I think if maybe I wasn't able to really justify kung gaano siya ka-effective to my skin. So, yun nga, I would be providing the photos there from the first, before using it, during habang ginagamit ko. Every week, I documented it. I took photos to see the comparison of yung improvement, yung effect niya sa skin ko. And I hope it would help you judge or decide whether or not you would want to try this product. So, yun guys. So guys, you can see naman from the photos na binigay ko from the first week, the first time na ginamit ko siya, from the first week, second, third, and the fourth week, which is the last week. Nakita niyo naman na at some point, nag-improve yung skin ko. Although, syempre hindi mo maiwasan, may bagong tutubong pimples. But, na yun, nakita nyo na parang on the next week na wala na kahit may bago dumating. Kasi ako yung tipo ng tao na mabilis talaga ako magka-pimples. Like, parang mahiga lang yung, malagay lang yung face ko, sumunod yung surface, parang maya-maya, may bagong pimple na ako. Kaya that's the reason also why I was looking for a skincare that would actually help me when it comes to my pimples, my acne. Kaya ako naghahanap. Pero I can say naman that at some point, it is very effective. Kasi hindi lang siya nawawala yung pimples ko, but at the same time, na nag-clear talaga yung skin ko. Nakita kong nagiging maputi din siya at some point. So, alam mo, parang nagiging maaliwalas yung tingin sa skin ko. Kaya, parang nagustuhan ko siya. Siguro, ubusin ko lang yung ginagamit kong skincare ngayon talaga. Tapos, I might buy again, yung ganon. Siguro yung malalaki na hindi lang yung kit. Or maybe, if you guys have other suggestions na pwede ko rin i-try, please let me know, comment nyo lang, and I will try it. So guys, if may natutunan kayo or na-enjoy nyo ang aking review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and of course, click on the notification bell for new uploads. So guys, thank you for watching!